Here we got a 57 Plymouth Plaza with 301 Y block. The 301 Y block, I didn't know what it was, to tell you the truth. It's actually a low deck big block. So like they had a 383 big block and a 383. What did they have? They had I think they had a. Excuse me. I don't want to talk right now because I forgot. But this is actually a type of big block. It's wider. It's wider than 318, I think. It's a 301. It's a Plaza. There's two of them over here. But you know, the beauty, you know, what these Plymouths were solid because anything the cops always bought, most of the cop cars back in the day, in the 50s and 60s, were Chrysler Plymouth. Torsion bar suspensions, the engines were better, the transmissions were better. You know, the torque flake transmission was a freaking solid runner. The bodies were bigger and stronger, and just all around mechanically they were better. You know, even I guess this year too, but I know on the driver's side of like the 60s, I guess the 50s too, Plymouths and Dodges, there was left-hand threads on the wheels, and sometimes people didn't know that, and they get on there with a freaking air hammer and they strip them out because they're tightening them. You got left-hand threads on this thing on the driver's side?
What?
Driver's side wheels, left-hand threads?
They're all left-hand threads.
Okay, so they had them back that in the 57 too? I know they had it in 60s and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I know like the tire shops have to freaking, a lot of people didn't know that and they screwed them up a lot of times.
Break them off.
Yeah. And it was an attention to detail about engineering. That's why these cops had these cars. You know, it was a California Kid with the movie, 57 Plymouth versus, was it 34, 32 Ford Coupe or something? So.